Vibe, man. Very deep conversation. And yes, that's what we promise you. Intuitive stuff, deep, next level, understandings of the people we listen to when it comes to the music. And this next conversation is going to be the same thing, but please messages, MX24TV, hashtags MXLIVE. Keep them coming through and let's stay interactive. Now I have a very fashionable artist whose chain I'm trying to take. Young NV, what's up, man?
What's good, my
bro? You're looking fly.
Thanks,
bro. The artists that come here, they really make me feel like I have to step my game up because this is just next level. Yeah. Are you into any sense, like fashion or anything like that?
I do this myself. I just try to do it
yourself. So you put this together yourself?
Yeah, I just do it and it happens,
Bro, you don't need a stylist.
For real.
You don't need a stylist.
I need no stylist.
Okay, so this young gentleman in front of me goes by the name Young NB.
Yeah.
What's Young NB? What's the NB? Like, tell me the origin of your name.
Okay. The Young NB is like Young Nino Brown,
Oh.
The Nino Brown, it was a name my big brother was using. And then, like, he was like, he feels I should be the one using this name because I'm doing too much.
Okay.
So I was like, if he is Nino Brown and I'm the younger one, then why don't I just add Young NB and just make it?
Oh, so your big brother is called Nino Brown.
Yeah.
Like, that's his nickname.
Yeah.
And he gave that to you.
Yeah. I should own it because, I'm doing too much.
Bro, you're owning it.
Yeah,
like a lot of energy, right? You're owning it.
Yeah, for real. I'm owning
okay.
it.
So, like you're saying, a lot of energy, very proactive.
Yeah.
When you were young, is that who you were? Did that come through in the music? As in, did you start with the music?
Like, it came through the music, When I go through the music, like when I came to the music, I had to experience like a lot, You can't be like too dull and be in the music. It's not going to go the way you want it. Like, you need to be there. Like, you need to be like, you need to be there for the people. So, like, they should know, like, they should feel a vibe inside you when they see you. Okay. Even, like, without you not talking, there should be a vibe around you.
I mean,
yeah.
Right? What could you represent?
Everybody.
Everywhere.
I represent everything, yeah. Ajavi is ready. They call me Ajavi.
Ajavi?
Ajavi is ready. That's a different name I use.
What does that mean? Does it
means the boy. The
Ajavi
boy
means
is ready.
The boy.
Yeah.
Okay, what language is that, man?
That's Ewe.
Ewe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's really, really cool, man.
For real.
So Ajavi is ready.
Ajavi is ready.
I mean,
the
ready
boy
for the music, ready for anything that's coming on.
Everything. I'm ready for everything.
What kind of music do you make in terms of content, right? What do you put in the music? Is it, again, the things you went through? Is it the people you represent? Is it the proactiveness? What do you talk about?
My music talks about everything, Things I've gone through. I represent everybody, That's what I'm saying. When you listen to my music, you should have a feel of me.
Okay.
I have to represent you. You should you have to represent me.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's what my music is about. It's for everybody. It represents everybody.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you listen to my music, you feel you're part of like some life of you in my music.
Okay.
For real.
At what age did you start making music? Like officially, would you say?
That's like 1.5 years now.
Just 1.5 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ask Abuaji.
That's not too long ago.
Nah.
But before this 1.5 years ago, were you interested in music? Were you recording, or is like?
I was interested in music, but I wasn't recording.
Wow. So like, what hit you? Like, bro, this is me.
Oh, it was Diku.
Tell me about that story, man.
Diku, one day he was heading to the studio, and then I was I was giving a freestyle. It was like, nah, like this crazy. I wrote it without a beat, but like I was vibing to it. It was like, nah, like this crazy. So like we have a studio just around, so we should just go there. It was just like a little room with two or three speakers and stuff, and we just did something. It was crazy.
Just like that?
It just started going. Just like a year, 1.5 years now. Yeah.
Just like that? That's a really cool story.
I like the growth. I like the growth. I like the growth now. Yeah.
Okay, because that's what I was about to ask you. In terms of audience-wise, the music you're releasing, I was about to ask you, how's the growth been?
It's good, bro. Sometimes I go to places, I don't expect like people to call me because I feel it's too early to be getting like those attentions and stuff. But like I get them always. Yeah, always. I get them always. The audience,
Yeah.
They love my music because I know what I talk in my music. And they like they fuck with it. Like they like it. Yeah.
Sorry for the swear word.
sorry for the swear.
But the thing is,
use it.
People get like attracted to your energy because as soon as you came in here, like there was so much energy around you. And that's the beautiful thing about energy. You don't even have to say a word, but it lives, right?
I said it.
Right? So when you get people who like attracted to your music and people are gravitating towards you, again, for that short period of time you've been in the music, do you still get surprised at this point? It's like, whoa.
I don't get surprised anymore because I'm used to it. I have to be like I'm used to it. I don't need to be like too like big-headed when I get this. No, I have to keep doing it. So like I'm used to it now.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like it should grow more, like it should grow though, but like I'm still used to it.
How does Nino Brown feel seeing you like grow so big as an artist?
He likes it. Like, yo, bro. Someone just posted you, bro. I'll be like, yeah.
Like, yeah,
I'm not
bro.
surprised. Like,
I'm just doing this, man. Like, I'm
Yeah.
just killing it. I'm wondering how, like, the conversations are going to go. It's like, I gave you that name, and that name's on TV.
Yeah,
like, people mention me. Like, that's my brother,
It's
man.
everywhere. I'm doing it, and he likes it.
So, how many songs have you had in this 1.5 year period, man?
Like, I'll say like 8 songs.
8 songs?
8 or 9 songs. Yeah.
Wow, in a year and a half.
Yeah.
And you released all these songs?
Yeah, I have. I'll be dropping a song soon, like a month to come.
Sheesh.
It's crazy.
You just dropped one,
Yeah.
and you're going to drop another one.
Yeah.
Are you on a record label?
No.
You're an independent artist.
Yeah, but I have a manager, like I have a team. My
Okay, you have a
management,
team.
yeah, you know that.
Okay, and you guys finance what you're doing?
Yeah, we do this
that's
ourselves.
incredible.
Yeah. We're working on it. Like we know where like we want to be, so we just need to
like you
keep
have
going.
that self-belief.
Yeah,
right?
I believe in myself. That's why they call me a Javi. You
Ah,
understand?
the boy, right?
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah, the boy is ready.
The boy is ready.
Yeah.
I like this guy, man. I like this guy. Okay,
will.
so you have a new one.
Yeah.
What's this one called?
The new one I'm about to drop.
Yeah.
Alone. It's called Alone.
I think we have a visualizer, right? Or is it an official music video?
That one was for that was on my tape Love and Ego.
Okay, so when did you drop this tape you're talking about?
That's April.
April.
Yeah, yes. April.
What's the tape called again, please?
Love and Ego.
Love and Ego.
Yeah, and I have and Sativa on it.
Okay.
Yeah, just 2 songs.
What's the meaning of Love and Ego?
Love and Ego, it's like what goes around us, like the love that we find around us, and also the ego that we find around us. People will show you love, some will like, what I mean.
Yeah.
People will show you love, some won't.
Yeah.
But like they will be around you for the same reason, like they love you, but they, like you understand me.
When you look at that, is it difficult to deal with fame a bit, or do you find are you learning more how to
I'm learning
maneuver in the fame?
I'm learning.
Because you don't know who loves you, really, right?
I'm learning. So I listen to people. I just don't work with people. I listen to people. I listen to you, what you do, like how you move around me. If I don't like it, I'll tell you straight for it. I don't keep like things to myself.
Okay.
I say it to my people. They know it.
Okay. Yeah. Honest guy, man.
Yeah. I don't.
So Love and Ego, how's the response to that from
It's crazy, I've had like so many response on it from bigger people. I wasn't expecting like to get that from them,
Yeah.
Bigger artists, like
that's
music
nice.
influencers and all that.
Which kind of artists would you love to work with? If
Now,
like we're given a chance right now.
Like in Ghana, anywhere.
Like, anywhere in the whole world.
I would like to work with Rima and Ira Star.
Oh, bro, you and Rima would be dope.
Yeah.
Right?
They say this always.
Yeah,
If you listen to
like-
my song, I have to feature Rima. Like Rima have to say this. Like Rima have to see this for real.
Yeah, he has to.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping that happens though.
Yeah.
That'd be like really cool. I'd be like, we spoke about this and now he's working with Rima.
It's gonna happen too.
It's
for
gonna
real.
happen. I like that. I like that belief.
Trust.
Ira Star. A lot of guys are gonna be heartbroken because they love her.
I just want to be out there, so I have to
Yeah.
work on it.
How about Ghana though? Are
Yeah,
there any
Ghana.
artists?
I love to work with other Ghanaian artists. Yeah, a lot. I have a lot in mind. Blackpool, everybody's out there.
Oh man, you and Blacko.
Everybody's
dope,
out there.
right?
I have a song with Deco. It's out there. That like they were all like some of the people I wanted to work with, and I've done it.
Yeah.
So
Bro, I'd like to come on Radio Wardrobe, man.
you have to come to my road.
Yeah.
Shout out to my
I'd like
stylist.
to come there, like, open his wardrobe and just like tear stuff and take his stuff away.
Yeah,
man.
champagne will fix you. Like you give you the fix, just fix it yourself.
Oh, champagne, right?
Yeah.
Shouts champagne. Man.
Yeah,
champagne, I need
Stay
help.
up.
Shouts champagne. Okay, so which song are we playing today? Because we've got
Let's play. Yeah.
Tell me about man.
It's like when you listen to the chorus, I'm like, you know what I've been through. You know what it is that I shed.
Oh.
So when you go through the song, you know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Like I'm talking about myself, like things I've been through.
Okay.
I went through a lot to be here.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't expecting to be like things like that. But like right now, like I'm in it.
What's been the most difficult part about getting here?
Bro, it's getting the audience. Getting people to know you.
Okay.
It's not easy to like get people to know you.
It's not easy, man.
It's not easy. Somebody be like, yeah, this shit is dope, bro. Oh. But you just turn around. What's
right.
This guy is just making noise.
Right.
But they will feel it when the time is there.
Bro, that's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Like,
They
one
will
thing
feel
that's crazy about what we do is, people are going to mess with what you're doing when they see other people messing with it.
Yeah.
People might like it,
Yeah.
but they won't say they like it. They just want to see like a bigger audience hold on to it.
Before like they love you.
Let's listen to the music, man.
Yeah. Listen to
Guys,
young
enjoy
music.
this. We'll be right back. Tell us what you think. We'll be right back.
You know. Wow, wow, wow. When we talking about my life, you know it's crazy. Now me can't make no myself, I come on, can't make way. This life that we living can be crazy, many ways. So I put myself on, hey, pray to Jack, my pan, flying high in the sky. Flying high and higher, chasing for the power, boy, I need for my life, oh. Waiting I desire, I define, make you hold up. So I took all this baby, my chase, oh, taking all this space. I've been taking all this space. Oh my days, you know what I've been through. You know what it is that I said. You know this baby. You know what I've been through. You know what it is that I said. I can never fall down, I can never to fail now. Roller coaster, going faster, that be a roll out. Going through the valley of the death. All this love that I share, nobody they show me say. Me they feel I saw one lie, I know they lie. Keep it to myself, I the trap, living life. Run it up to it dead. Run it up to it dead. You told me when I stop to it dead. Focus on myself, all this day. Reminiscing for the paper, and you're better than you would have. That be what my uncle told me. Said Danny Dra, all these dreads go they come on notice. You going fine now. Taking all this pain. I be taking all this pain. I be taking all my night it is. You know what I've been through. You know what it is.
They will not adapt to very sweet story. Very sweet.
If you know what I've been through. You know what it is that I'm taking all this pain. I've been taking all this pills. Oh my days, you know what I've been through.
Bro, energy is infectious, man. I think that's the word. The energy is very infectious. Because I'm sure people watching this haven't heard the music before. Some people, but they're going to like, bro, his energy is on point.
That's what
Bro,
you like.
I feel like you're going to do big things, bro.
Trust me, bro. I'm
Keep
ready
doing
for it.
I believe in you, man. Keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. So what's the plan for, the rest of the year, looking forward into the future the way you see it? What's the plan for young MB?
The plan is to go harder, do more good music. Music people would like to relate to it, music that like they would love to listen when they are alone, like driving home from the club. Like there are some songs you can listen to like when you are driving home like from the club.
Yeah.
It's not all songs you can listen to when you're driving home from the club. Some songs you'll be like, nah, I want to 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. You can't make noise sometimes. You need to calm down and just listen to some music. They will get other music from Ajavi. You just go through my music platforms. Just listen to Ajavi. Like you love it.
Yeah, because that's what I was about to ask you too. Like, are we going to get more music soon?
More music.
Projects?
I'm dropping after I drop this song. Like probably October, November. I'll drop a tape. Okay. Yeah, I'll drop an EP, and I'll do an EP listening. So I invite you.
Oh yeah, bro, I'd love to be there, man.
Yeah.
Please, like, let us know. MX24 going to support you. I like your music. I like your vibe, the energy. Like I said, I know you're going to do big things, man. Just keep steady the course. Can't wait to see you work with the artists you mentioned, man.
Yeah,
you and Rema's going to be dope. You and Blacko.
I'll make you proud, bro.
Yeah, please do, please
You believe in me. You believe in me.
I want to be in those videos decked out like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking for Champagne, your stylist. Yes, deck me out, bro. Champagne.
See where your name is, Champagne.
Champagne, you see, we need to do big things, bro. I want to be decked out.
Yeah.
Chai, do you have any shouts to give, man?
Yeah, shout out to my management, to my friends, everybody watching me, blessings. It's all love. I see the love like y'all been showing, and I love it. I like it. I like to see it that way. So just keep supporting me. Keep telling people about Ajavi, Young NB, YUNG on all platforms. So just check me out anytime.
Nice one, man. Charlie, bro, keep pushing through, man. Keep pushing through. How do you handle all the ladies, your DMs and stuff?
Oh, you don't do ladies matters.
You see, man.
You know that person
nah, we don't do that. I'm gonna act Champagne. Charlie, so like you said, your music is on all platforms.
Yeah,
people can find it, they can buy it.
Yeah.
Okay. So please find him, support him. We've spoken about a lot when it comes to these young artists, and one thing I always say is the biggest artists you know weren't known at some point, right? So Kanye West grew through a period from Jay-Z to Sarkodie to Stonebwoy and all these other artists. They grew through a period. So the artists you're seeing here today might be the biggest thing tomorrow. So please, if you love the music, if you can't buy it, share it. You know, tell somebody else. And if you can, please buy the music. Once again, big salute to you. Great conversation.
Bless my brother.
I hope we get to talk some more soon. And I can't wait to come to the listening, man.
Yeah.
Nice
I'll
one.
invite you. I'll invite you.
Yeah, I'm going to be there.
Trust.
But I can't be looking normal. Please call champagne. Call champagne.
I'll call champagne for you. Champagne. I will call champagne
Call
for
champagne.
you.
Guys, have a very wonderful afternoon.
Bless.
Salute.
You know.